Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in your JLab JBuds Air Sport. Okay, so first of all you have to take them out of the case and then click and hold this touch control panel until one of this indicator start blinking blue and white. So just take a look on it. If it is not working, just release and make it one more time. As you can see right now, it's working, so we can put them close to your phone, select pair new device, and take a look right here, then select them from the list. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.